Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. But anyways, on the Aussie, we definitely had a very strong move down on the monthly, weekly time frames. It happened right after taking out this swing right here, so it kind of makes sense to see such a big pullback. I mean, there is definitely a chance that this is some sort of like an A, B, C, and it goes down very significantly. But I'm definitely still leaning towards eventually it's going to at least go up and take out these highs, and probably even eventually go up and take out the high of wave 4 if this really is a WXY pattern like I believe it is. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, very strong move to the downside, like I said, but it happened right after taking out that swing. So I would imagine that there was a lots and lots of liquidity up in this area that helped push that down so significantly. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, you can't help but notice that this is 1, 2, 3 waves up. Definitely kind of odd for the market to make 3 waves up and then just turn down like that, unless this really is like a wave B or something. If it really is like a wave B or something, then this definitely could end up continuing down in a very big way, making lower lows, lower highs. So, fortunately, ever since we broke structure to the downside, we are looking for shorts right now. And if while we're looking for shorts, if it just keeps on trending, that definitely should not create an issue for us. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me, it seems very, very clear that this is a 1-2 and a wave 3. There's no break of structure since the wave 2 ended and the wave 3 started, so there's no proof that the wave 3 is over. I mean, this easily could just continue to make lower lows, lower highs before it decides to make a corrective wave 4 and a wave 5. And if it really is like the end of a three-way pattern on the higher time frames, it probably will end up doing something like this. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, because of what we see on the higher time frames and the fact that we believe this is a 1-2 and this is all lower lows, lower highs for a wave 3, I definitely still am looking for shorts. We're not at a Fibonacci level. We do not have a breaker structure, which my breaker structure would be right here. So even if it does go up, I will not be going long unless it breaks structure in a big way. Instead, I'll be waiting patiently for more sorting opportunities for the continuation of the downtrend. This whole move down, like I was saying, is probably either a wave A or a wave 1 on the much higher time frames. Either way, the trading strategy is exactly the same whether it's an A or a 1. So for me, it doesn't really matter to bother myself whether it's an A or a 1 because the trading strategy is exactly the same, which is looking for shorts on these sort of time frames until we can see that the A or 1 is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.